So, welcome back mga bossing! Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. And this time, we're going to unbox another cool toys from my favorite anime, 90s anime. So this time, this is one of those new releases from those anime shows. So we got the first characters and just found it on Amazon with it's a little bit cheaper, so I think we're gonna start completing the set now. So this one is one of those newest version of the Yu Yu Hakusho characters, Toguro, the younger brothers. So let's check it out. Let's go my bossy. Let's unbox. Okay, so here we go. We got the box from Amazon and we're gonna check it out. Ooh, look at that. So, we got the Toguro brothers. This one is the younger Toguro in a 100% power. Look at that box, that's really cool. Look at those sculpt and everything. So, let's go. Let's unbox. Okay, so nice, and it's already quite heavy. It's pretty interesting. I really like the photo with those three. Already looks like a very good sculpt. So let's check it out and let's see all the artists involved. I hope they'll. Okay, so I don't think they put all the artists here. Yeah, okay, let's check it out. Maybe somewhere. Okay, maybe it's not here. Okay. Yeah, this is like a import edition. They already covered most of the original box information here. Anyway, it's still looking good. And yeah, why not let's see. So we're gonna check out the code. What's that mean, right? So let's see. Okay, doesn't mean anything, so just okay, let's start taking it out. Ooh, look at that. Nothing inside, no papers, no manual, no anything. So that's good. Okay, so we got how many parts? Okay, so we got two parts, body, torso, uppers and lower. And we got some cool stand here. So far it's looking good, so let's check out and take it out. We got some made in China with all the tariffs and everything. I'm kind of having a hard time to buy in the States for all of this. So we're not too sure, but It looks like pretty straightforward, so I think you cannot make mistake on putting all those stand here, but okay. Yeah, but okay, maybe just why not? Let's start putting it in. Okay. Yeah, because of those shape, right? There's a jagged. There you go. Yes. Yeah, I just wanna start from the bottom. Check out the. Ooh-wee. Look at those details. Okay, really damaged rip pants here. So we got the holes for the stand, and of course to connect the peg to connect the upper body. Already here you can see how detailed it is, right? So it's really cool. And of course there's no articulation here, so I think this is like the form to attack, right? So it's good. You ready? It looks like ready to finish Yusuke on this form, like in this pose. So look at that details, man. And also the you know how the size, right? It's almost perfect. Oh man, look at that details. All the muscle and paint working on this. I don't know why it looks like this. I don't. What makes it really special? Like from the tree roots, something like that, right? Okay, nice. The face. It's like burn the nose here. But overall, it's really cool. It's really nice. If you're a fan of Yu Yu Hakusho, I'm sure you're gonna love this and you're gonna dig this cool toys from Bandai, which is part of the this is not the part of the Banpresto. So hopefully guys, I'm really working on to get some decent price for Master List Yu Yu Hakusho version, so sooner we can review and check it out, guys. So just keep on check out all my videos and keep on checking out my channel, and probably if you really like all my videos, why not to subscribe to my channel, and of course don't forget to hit the like buttons. So okay, so nice. Why not we put this on? I think it's gonna be look like this. And there you go. So that's how it's gonna be looks like when you display it. And I'm sure the Yusuke what do you call it? Yusuke figure is something like also ready to attack Toguro in a battle. So okay, so yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video and you like this figure. So why don't you give me a thumbs up, and always check out all my latest video. So why not to subscribe and click the bell icon so you're always updated to all my latest and cool toys review. So there you go guys, that's it. Once again, thank you. Peace out. Boom.